Okay, Roxy. Hey guys, it's Singer TV here, and I got a dog. Isn't she adorable? This is Roxy. She's a little puppy, and she's a mutt, so she's like a mix of a bunch of different dogs. Boink, boink, boink. And she likes the ball, but she's really tired now. Okay, maybe not. I don't know. I can't tell. Till she goes and lays on her blanket. Roxy, come here. Hey, Roxy, look at me. Look at the camera. You like your squeaky toy? Here, why don't we get this way? Really? You're just going to turn your head? Okay, we go. Say hi.
Do you want the ball? Boink, boink, boink. Once I boink, she catches it. Boink, boink, boink. Wait, wait. Ah! She almost bit me.
It's okay. It's alright. You just tell her no.
No.
Okay.
Boink, boink, boink.
Ah!
She's fucking their baby.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! Go get the ball. Yeah, good girl. So thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Boing, boing,
Bye.
boing.